In this video, we'll talk about how to register for your CC high school-based course. CC courses are courses offered at your high school for dual credit. You are placed in your CC course by your school counselor. Sitting in this course does not automatically register you for college credit. You must follow the steps and complete registration through Howard Community College. So, you've signed the forms in Synergy and applied to HCC. In order to register for your CC course, you will need your HCC login information and your CC course name. If you haven't set up your HCC credentials, you can see the link on setting up your HCC credentials in the description below. Now you are ready to register for your CC course. The CC registration link is in the JumpStart packet. It's www.howardcc.edu/jumpstart registration request. This brings up the login page where you will use your HCC credentials, which is your HCC login and password. You would type them in here, your HCC login, and the password you created. And then it brings up the registration web form. You type in your first name, then your last name, Okay, when you get to what high school you attend, there's a drop-down menu here. Make sure that you're choosing the correct high school because each high school differs slightly as far as course listings. Click Next, and then you choose your course option. After that, you would click Submit. If you're choosing more than one course, just make sure that you're not using the same time slot and that you're selecting one section for each course. It takes 24 hours to process your CC registration. You can check on your My HCC student portal after 24 hours by going to myhcc.howardcc.edu. Here you put in your HCC credentials. And you select self-service. You then select student planning. Next, you select plan and register. And on the left-hand side, you will see the course or courses you registered for.